Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that for a polynomial p of x, the value of p of 3 is equal to -2. We're told that given this information, which of the following must be true about p of x. So this is more a problem of understanding how to take the SAT rather than actually solving a problem, because if we look, x minus 5 is a factor of p of x, x minus 2 is a factor of p of x, x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. For any of these to be the case, we would have to have some information about the zeros of the polynomial, right? The x-intercepts. And we don't. We know that the point -3, -2 is on the line, but we don't know any values that are x-intercepts, where a is just some number, and then we have it on the x-axis with y equal to 0. So if we don't have some information about a point like this, we cannot conclude any of these. So therefore, even if you're not exactly sure how the remainder when p of x divided by x minus 3 would look for a polynomial that you can't even see, you have to know that this is the only answer left, so your answer is going to be D. This is a problem where the SAT doesn't really expect you to know this. This is probably something you learned and forgot almost immediately, but if you do know it, then it'll help you be more certain when you're answering the question, because obviously this is true, but it is more about understanding that you cannot conclude anything about the factors of p of x without being given one of the zeros. But anyways, your answer is going to be D. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.